Hello friends, welcome to my 97 YouTube channel. If you are a new visitor on my YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get a notification after publishing my future videos. Let's learn how to capture GIF image using A20s camera. Open your phone camera. After, press and hold your camera capture button. Now GIF image was captured. This is our captured GIF image. You can see the file type. I think this video is very helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for future updates. Have a nice day. Goodbye.